On last video, you saw how I glued the blocks to the sides. Hello friends and welcome to the dojo. In this episode you will see how I'll keep going on with a crack in the side of my guitar. The LMII forums with O'Brien guitars were top notch on helping me how to continue and keep on going with the build. And now I have one side separated from the heel block. So to reattach this side to the block, you have to clean up the glue with some warm water, and across the grain you will find out you have to give some structure with some CA glue. So this is how I did it. I'm wearing the gloves because CA glue is really dangerous. And please be so kind to give me a thumbs up, it really helps me with the algorithm. So now the process to re-gluing the heel block to the sides, it was not that easy. And now you just have to go to the whole process again and wait for the glue to dry again. This LMI glue is very special. It has a UV light sensitive glue, so you can turn up the guitar to a turn on UV light and you will see the excess of glue you have to remove to leave the guitar well finished. Making sure everything is gluing. So now it's the time to see if everything worked, just removing the sides and the block from the mold, and let's see how it goes. Everything seems to be fine, just have to clean up the wax paper from the guitar and that's it. I have to carry on with a couple of important tasks. Now with the circular sander I'm going to remove some dust from the side of the guitar, from the Peruvian walnut, and I'm going to save it in a little bag so this can help me later on after I glue the curving to give some structure to the guitar so the guitar can finally be properly repaired. I learned to do all this work thanks to the forum of the O'Brien Guitars course I was taking online in this pandemic. Thanks to that forum, people were like very positive with me, like don't worry, it happens to everybody, you just have to know what to do, and here is what I did with that kind of problem. If you missed one of the videos previously, please go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.